Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is your reading for April 1 to 15, 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. You have the Eight of Swords in upright position. I think this coming April, you're going to feel trapped. I also feel that you might be overthinking of things that's going on in your life, maybe in your career, finances, or in your love life. You might be feeling stuck and you can move. Maybe for some of you who are in your relationship, they might you might feel that they are very strict with you. I think it's not that they don't trust you, but they are just very strict. I think they've been holding on to you so tightly that you feel suffocate. There might be mental restrictions. You feel that you can't move. Your actions are limited. I think this also indicates that you are afraid of change, maybe in your work or in your love life. If you're in a relationship, maybe you're afraid that you can find any other man or woman. Or in your career, I feel that you're afraid of change. You're afraid to look for another job because you might get one immediately. You might be feeling stress. You're too afraid of change. There are things that is there are things that's going on into your head that scares you. Scares you to look at the brighter side. Let's get another card for clarification. You have the Death card in reverse. So this only indicates that you are fear of ending, fear of changing. You're still clinging into the past. If you have something on your situation in the past that's maybe restricting you to be free, restricting you to change. Let's get another card for clarification. King of Pentacles in upright position. I think at the end of the week, there's going to be a recognition, a change of your situation that is coming in. There's going to be a provider of energy that would probably help you to establish yourself, to help you change, to help you transform this challenging situation or this energy into something that you would be beneficial to establish yourself, your love life, or your career. Let's get the Mystic Forest Oracle card. for your guidance. Angels, what's your guidance for Virgo for this April 1 to 15, 2025? Simplify life. Life is meant to be simple and easy. Don't let superficial energies distract you from your true essence. Simplicity and purity will lift your spirit. hmm I think the universe is telling you and reminding you that life is just simple and easy, so don't be too occupied on those things that are in the past or too occupied in your current situation that you can control. Maybe you're afraid of change that is coming or transformation. That's why there's someone is going to help you to reassess yourself, to help you to change, and to help you focus on the bright side of life. So they say don't let superficial energies distract you because there's a lot of things that's going on in your mind or in your life right now that you're too afraid to let go of something or you're too afraid of change. So the universe is with you, the angel is with you. They're going to send someone to um, purify and lift your spirit so you can enjoy your life again. That's your reading, Virgo. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.